always had your side, and you just took it all away. You made me wanna cry. And when I'm feeling down, I lose all control. Emotions keep coming down, trying to let you go. So if you wanna talk to me again, don't try to act like you were always friend, always friend.
What's up, KM family? Welcome to or welcome back to another KN and M reaction. Today, the video that we will be reacting to is
Light Switch.
This video was suggested by
Eileen Reid.
But before we get into the video, for those of you that are new, click that subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss any of our new uploaded videos, and click the like button. Now, let's get into the video.
So we pooping. Which one? You didn't have to make the coffee so intense.
Turn on the light switch.
Bruh. If I wake up in the morning and it's this dark, all my lights will be on. Oh, he at work. Still.
But that part of the hallway need a light.
Mm-hmm. If it ain't got no light, y'all need to get one.
Man, you in there by yourself. Somebody else need to be in there with me. No telling what's all up in there house.
And what if just one metal out of nowhere just slipped?
All lights finna turn on. And lightning? Wow. What kind of storm is that? Ooh. They lights up. Ooh. Dude.
You better run. Shoot. I would have left the trash can. I would have said, run back inside. I never seen that before.
Me either.
Snowing and thunder. Well, lightning. Now wash your hands. He just touched his hair.
Yeah.
And you just got done touching that nasty trash. Not a light switch. Then what is it?
Don't touch it. Not a light switch. Dude, don't bother. Don't bother.
There's two light switches. Hey!
Just said not a light switch. You just triggered something.
You just opened a door to
Or
another
something.
dimension or something. Yo, quit being curious.
What are you looking at? What are you looking at?
Hey man, stop.
I know, right? I would leave that alone. You crazy. You saw what you saw. I'm like, okay, it's time to leave.
If I did, I was like, okay, 1, hold on, 2. Okay, that's it.
You finna walk into another dimension.
Yeah, he didn't put it back. If he put it back, he'd probably be safe. But he kept it where it was at. He gonna try to throw away the trash again.
He probably gonna see himself. That's you. That's you. I'm gonna turn that thing off. Flick, flick. See?
The music.
Hit the switch, hit the switch. Yes, hit the switch, hit the switch. Good. Why you messing with it, dude? Dumb. Flip the switch, and then I get in my car and go home. Say, you know what? Something weird happened at the warehouse. I can't be there.
Remember?
It's when the lightning hit.
Lightning hit. It's gonna be more of them, cause he's gonna. That's
see,
him.
it didn't do it. So you should have left it where it was. Nah, you can't. Now he gonna see the same thing. But this guy don't have glasses on.
Wait.
He don't have glasses on.
You couldn't be your smart self. Only do it
There's
once.
two different people. I mean, it's the same person,
But one has glasses
and the other one don't.
doesn't. Thank you.
Bless you.
Golly.
That was weird.
Very.
But I mean, I would not have flipped that switch
All those times.
when I saw, okay, that's it, that's a wrap. I don't want to see what else is gonna happen. I'm not that curious. No sir, no ma'am. Wow. Now he's stuck wherever he is. But the other person, his doppelganger, as they say, he didn't have any glasses on.
He didn't have any glasses.
So, wow. Thank you, Eileen, for
But
that
how come
suggestion.
your doppelganger is smarter than you?
Yeah, because he flipped the switch and walked away. Like, whatever.
He's like, I don't know what that was, but I'm gonna keep pushing.
I know, right?
You.
Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with everyone you know, and we will see you guys in our next video.